Going Green at Home. A comprehensive guide to energy efficiency is a video that provides a detailed guide on how to be more energy efficient at home. The video explains how small changes in our daily routines can make a significant impact on the environment and also help save money on energy bills. The video begins by highlighting the importance of being conscious of the amount of energy we consume at home. It goes on to explain the different ways we can reduce our energy consumption, such as using energy-efficient appliances and lighting, installing a programmable thermostat, and sealing air leaks in our homes. The video also covers the benefits of renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines, and how homeowners can incorporate these into their homes to generate clean energy and reduce their carbon footprint. The video concludes by emphasizing the importance of taking action to reduce our energy consumption and the impact it has on the environment. By making small changes in our daily routines and incorporating energy-efficient practices in our homes, we can make a significant contribution to a more sustainable future. Overall, Going Green at Home, a comprehensive guide to energy efficiency, provides valuable information and practical tips for anyone who wants to make a positive impact on the environment and save money on energy bills.